Hi friends, hope this finds you well. Welcome back to another bead haul with me, Amber Scott from Mountain at Knee Creations. So let's go down to the table and check out what we've got from Potomac. All right, here we are with the May Potomac bead box. Very exciting. This month is called Whispers of Antiquity. Step into a realm of timeless elegance and vintage charm with this month's treasure box. Each bead embodies the artistry and charisma of the past. Pale, soft color accents, smoky gray and black, like a colorized tintype. Blue and pink evoke timeless... lost my spot, sorry. Timeless grace, while mauve whispers refinement. Crystal AB enchants with its shimmer, leading to the ethereal glow of white iris, black diamond, and jet add mystery, while silver brings sophistication. Let your imagination soar as you craft modern jewelry steeped in the essence of the past. I don't need to see my mic stand there. Do you? You don't think so? All right. So exciting. All kinds of lovely stuff. So we have check glass bicone beads and jet at 6 millimeters. Very lovely. And then these are called chili beads. Oh, excuse me. They are white chili beads. These are unique. They have 2 holes up in the top there. I don't know if you can see that. See? Those are definitely different. Look at that. Look like little claws or petals or something. A different type of round. This one's a trio bead. So the other ones I had last month had 2 holes. These have 3. I sense another challenge coming on here. How do we use a 3-hole round bead? So I don't know if you can see that. There's your 3 holes. Then we have some black diamond Potomac crystal chattons. Beautiful, beautiful pieces here. And 24. Don't want to lose those. And then these are pretty. Love this purpley color I got going on here. Maybe if I move another click up, I can get some more of this. Sorry, trying to get some more of the screen here. There we go. These are check glass cathedral beads in blue and purple. These are just beautiful. Oh my goodness. Got some neat texture on them. We got some fun little bead trays. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love that they always give something, like some kind of tool, or these flowers are cool. These are the Check Daisy Black Diamond 4x8. How fun are those? Those are unique. And then we have the lever back ear wires with crystal settings. So this is where those beautiful crystals come into play. So you glue them right into the setting. Everything's, and then you fold over the little, see if I can get it to focus on it, over the little end pieces there. Very nice. I like lever back with the crystal setting. So those are fun. Check faceted rounds in treasure 4mm rosaline. Sorry, treasure's the box. Oh, silly me. Ooh, those are so pretty. There we go. How beautiful are those? Thank you, Potomac. These are just... Ooh, as I lose them. No, don't fall off the table. So pretty. These are unique check pressed beads in mauve. Very unique. This lilac color, I gotta love it. 7mm lilac faceted check rounds. So pretty. Look at that. So pretty. We have a strand of, I'm going to assume these are the 4mm faceted rounds, maybe? Did we do that one? No, we did. Did the 4mm, we have the 7mm, maybe these are 5. I would guess those are the 5s then. Because these are seamless mirror beads, silver plated and 8mm. Look at that sparkle. What fun beads. Very fun. I was just trying to pull out some of them here. Leave them out so you can see them as we're going through here. Right? Haven't done all of them, but that's okay. These pearls are so pretty. Look at those. This is a baby pink 6mm 16-inch strand of Potomac pearls. Very pretty. Very pretty. Just this subtle kind of pink color. I dropped one. There we go. Now we have that. These are iris tube beads in ancient gold. These are fun looking. Love the variety of color on them. And there's 1, 2, so it's 2 holes. So rounded on the top and then flat on the bottom. Very pretty. Some of the prettiest combo here. All these colors. It's really pretty root beer lined Miyuki sea beads in 8-0. Those are fun. Very fun. These are check glass faceted rounds 10mm. So yeah, so that this one has to be the 5mm then. These are pretty. Look at that AB finish. So pretty. And last but not least are these really cool glass deco diamond beads. Check glass deco diamond beads. If I can get it open. Huh. Look at that. How fun is that? Very fun. Thank you, Potomac. These are awesome. So pretty. Let's see. I'm all lined up here. Let's see it all. Hopefully, most of it. All kinds of yummy goodness. Let's see what I come up with for my design on the fly this month. I wonder if that recorded the blackout there. I don't know. Guess I'll have to figure that out. All right. Thanks for joining, guys. Look at all this beautifulness.